What's the meaning of armlet? Armlet. Armlet.
Armlet. Armlet. An armlet is a type of jewelry worn on the upper arm. It is typically a circular or semicircular band that fits snugly around the arm. Armlets can be made from a variety of materials, including metal, leather, beads, and fabric. They have been worn by both men and women in many different cultures throughout history. In some cases, armlets have had symbolic meaning or represented social status. Today, armlets are still worn as fashion accessories or as part of traditional dress in certain parts of the world.